What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built.
So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it does look as though it has finally cleanly broken out of that descending wedge that we saw for a lot of cryptocurrencies in September. Obviously things were so bearish, but then we've come into October absolutely guns blazing, haven't we? Basically this big green candle here was the 1st of October. We've obviously come back above all these areas of resistance. We've got back above our EMAs and currently testing them as support, looking very, very bullish indeed. Obviously this breakout of the falling wedge, very bullish as well. That sets us up with a technical target of where we formed it, which is essentially back up at around this 180 level. We're still making our way back up towards that all-time high here from the breakout of this wedge as well. So lots to be bullish about with Polygon in our opinion. Obviously the volume has been quite low recently, but we do think the volume is going to return as Bitcoin starts to pump up again. Once we start to reach, approach all-time highs for Bitcoin, we think the volume is obviously going to explode back into the crypto space in general. And you can see here with our Fibonacci retracement tool thrown onto Polygon's chart, you can see quite clearly here with this big ABC correction, we double bottom out here. We get the bounce and the breakout of resistance. We come up, we break through the 050, and we are trying to test this as resistance right now, aren't we? Which is looking, pretty good in our opinion. We do strongly think that Polygon, it's going to start performing very well in the future, isn't it? Because overall, it's just doing something like this where it's kind of coiling up to a point. And eventually, we're going to see that big explosion and continuation probably of this price action here. When you basically look at how much it ran up in the bull run from around 2 cents all the way to $2.70, I don't think this big retracement here and consolidation phase is that unwarranted. But sooner or later, we are going to start to see Polygon move up again because obviously this is a top quality project. Lots of bullish news, lots of partnerships, more and more protocols coming out on it. And once it starts to get more and more interoperability as well, it's probably going to start to get a lot more use. The ETH gas fees are disgusting. Polygon fees are ridiculously low. And once it gets more adoption for projects, it's probably going to do very well. So this chart overall showing a lot of bullish signs here. You can see quite clearly here as well, we had some bullish divergences off the bottom. Going back up into that fair value region, looking for that next leg up, for that macro higher high, higher low, higher high back to the all-time high and beyond. So we'll keep things really short and sweet with the short-term price predictions then. If we do roll over, we're going to probably come back down to the 038 here in all reality, or in and around this area around 115 on these previous swing highs here if we do roll over. But judging by, how we're currently holding support on the 050, the 55 and potentially the 20 here, we're probably looking at that next leg up pretty soon. And if we do see ourselves starting to head to the upside, we are targeting that 068 as we said before at 152. And by the end of the bull run, as we always say, we do think $5 to $10 is likely for Polygon. That's only around a 2 to 4x from the all-time high. So
that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.